Hey everyone, Kajol here, your favorite. I've been a makeup artist for 10 years and I have heard it all. बेटा तेरा पार्लर कहाँ है? The myths. तुम्हारे पास कितने लोग काम करते हैं? The misconceptions, the doubts. सबको आता है hair cuts. Today we are tackling 5 common myths that hold aspiring makeup artists back from achieving their dreams. Myth number 1, being a makeup artist is just a hobby. I mean, false. It's a thriving, lucrative career with diverse opportunities. From bridal makeup to film sets to fashion runways, the possibilities are endless. It demands talent, creativity, and dedication just like any other profession. Myth number 2, it doesn't pay well. Hello? It's Bilkari. Makeup artistry doesn't pay well? Absolutely false, guys. With the right skills, business savvy, and marketing strategy, you can build a very profitable career. Guys, I got my first house at the age of 23. The earning potential is huge, especially as you gain experience and build a reputation. Once you know your work, once you're skilled enough, the amount you will quote, client will give you. That's how the career is. It's not a stable career. Oh my God, guys. It's absolutely wrong. Sometimes, actually a lot of times, I've seen a lot of makeup artists earn more than a doctor and engineer. While it takes hard work and smart planning, you can absolutely build a stable and sustainable makeup artistry business. I can take my own holidays, I can plan my own vacations. Many makeup artists build strong clientele bases, work flexible hours, and achieve financial security, guys. So you cannot say that it's not a stable career. I built KRP Academy at the age of 25 in Mumbai. So it's a big thing. ये तो parlor वाली का job है. I still get to hear from, like, whenever I go to some of my friends' place and they say, अरे बेटा तो parlor में काम कर, तुम्हारा parlor है? ऐसा. Auntie, हम professional hair artist and makeup artist hai, not parlor per se. Now, this is a common misconception in our culture. While I have immense respect for our salon professionals, being a makeup artist is a distinct and specialized skill. It requires a high level of artistry, precision, and knowledge of products and techniques to create stunning transformations and deliver exceptional results for clients. We invest our time in researching a lot of international products, a lot of our techniques, and immense practice. That's how we take it seriously. The focus is entirely on makeup. Myth number 5, why would anyone pay that high for makeup? Finally, the question, why would someone pay a premium for makeup? I have heard it from my students. A lot of people message me as well that how do we tackle this question? Because people are investing in more than just makeup. They are investing in expertise, skill, confidence, and a flawless look for a significant event. Exceptional technique is worth paying for, especially when it matters most. Weddings, there's no rewind button. शादी आपकी दोबारा वापस से हो नहीं सकती, so आपको मेकअप आर्टिस्ट सोच समझ के ही बुक करना पड़ेगा. I'm sure a lot of brides, they still go to their Instagram, go for their website, look for reviews. There's so many things before finalizing any makeup artist. Photo shoots, big events. This career is incredibly rewarding. I cannot emphasize on the fact how rewarding it is. Like, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते the kind of money it has. Remember, makeup isn't just about making someone beautiful. It's about empowerment, transformation, and making women all over the world feel confident. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you can think of any other myths regarding this industry, let me know in comments below. Ta-da!